Yeah, wisdom. Philosophia. Love wisdom. Rational thinking focus only on that factor, while holistic thinking, looking at the future or looking for a big picture. One must cultivate open-mindedness to any possibilities. Bruh, check ko tanan diri, pag abot diri kay wrong tanan. What is philosophy? Philosophy means love of wisdom. It's called love of wisdom because we are curious about anything that until now we still keep saying why. That's how we become a philosopher. Pila kong score? 54? Oh, grabe ba? 40 tama per 54 ko. 35 over 40. Right, hindi ko sa una ba? Dapat dahil ginabot o ka ng subject. Wow! Inanya kung gusto nga pagkagubot. Sa IFAB M, final score 37. Ay, over ko kabalon sa akin eh. Wala. 37 over 88. So, ako muna sa nakaisa papel or paper na ko siya ginasulat. Ako tapos doon din yung notebook. Nani ko, uy, kita na ko ngayon, hindi ko ka anong study sa una. Bisa na basulat ako siya sa notebook. Musulat ko ito sa ano. Ano ba? O, di lang ko musulat. Jart. Dapat dyan. To record Yasol Capital. Diri, 33. Business Mathematics. 34. Organization and Management. 34 over 50. Kira. 14. Nara. What do you have understood? I've learned about the two types of control, the non-measurable and measurable. I've learned about the two types of control, the non-measurable and measurable, where the non-measurable is about the customer's loyalty and measurable is focused on money. Also, the control process, it measures performance where you have the training first before you can go or can work on your job task. Feed forward is to predict future to make ready for a future freedom. But ko ako naghiwalay or ako lang siyang kopya? Okay, so but I like how Charmy deliver her report. It's good. It's loud din. I like how Charmy deliver her report. It's loud and clear. Mia is so fast. However, she delivered it with a loud voice. I also like how Melissa delivered her report. She maintained eye contact on Evra. Rasham also delivered a loud even he didn't maintain eye contact on his audience. Lastly, JR, he also have a loud voice and he maintained eye contact on Evra. Overall, they did a great job. I don't have any violent reaction because the report is clear and understandable. Bongga! Pajad! What have you learned? Na murag wala gid ko natun-anan eh kay 10 points. Pila man eh? 3, 6. Manong 10 man eh. 4, 8, ay 10 eh. I've learned about effective employee relationship and social support. Then content kay nagmatter. Ha? So far so good mayo pag report na explain karong na alay uban nga hinay uting nga madunggan siya pero gamay hinay. This known so far. Okay. What have you learned? I've learned about the discussion is to be a leader but not a manager. Be they? I've learned about the discussion is to be a leader but not a manager. They have a different. It's magulo ni. Dili. Busy jud. Because siguro ni because they have a different ways of leadership skills. You see, some of the reporters have a lower voice and some of them delivered in a loud voice. Although they did their best to explain it well, I suggest they should louder their voice next time. I learned from their topic is that the step-by-step. Mali ako correct. The topic is that the step-by-step job interview. Okay, ako sa kinatingog and masabtan ako man topic kung magkailapang mga trawon pag-explain dili makaya sa isa ka reporter o different. Down so far. Ay, Pilipino man ni mama ko ang sitwasyon, Edmila. Uy, alam mo bang nagustuhan ko yung suot mo nung nakarang araw? Bagay na bagay sa'yo. Paano kung yun na lang suotin mo? Dahil mas bagay yun para sa ating pasyon ngayon. Anas ka kay ano ni sarcastic. Nay, may ipagtatapat sana ako sa'yo. Sana huwag kang magagalit sa sasabihin ko. Mababa kasi ang marka na nakuha ko sa matematika. Ang hirap kasi pero sisiguraduhin ko sa susunod na magsusumikap akong patasin ang marka ko sa matematika. Matematika. Nay, guwapa. Nay, guwapa. So, asa man eh? Oo, damdungan ang sulat ko eh. Wow! Business Math 38.
Kinsa ka na ko ni ba? Kinsa ka na ko ni? Exam 39.
I learned from the reporter is about the Philippine author and their works by region. Some part of it is Leona Floren, the mother of Philippine women's literature that born on April 9, 1849 and died on October 4, 1884. Some of her works are Reconomy, Dedication, and Naangaway, Nakalabaw, Good Greetings. Reconomy, Dedication, and Naangaway, Nakalabaw, Good Greetings.
Kopya raman to. Ganit. Literature is abroad. No, 19 ra kay di man siya makasabot sa akong agi. Memorized. Wala ka niya kung gusto. 28 over 30. 7 to 10 years from now, I want to see myself happy. Not just happy, but contented about my achievements in life. A stable job, a house for my family, a car, and especially a loving and caring husband who always support me about the things that I want to pursue. Wow! Ang ganda ng ano ko dito. Ang grammar ko dito. 7 to 10 years from now, I want to see myself happy. Not just happy, but contented about my achievements in life. A stable job, a house for my family, a car, and especially loving and caring husband who always support me about the things that I want to pursue in life. Additionally, I've been through times, including loneliness and suffering, but I've learned that everything happens for a reason. The lessons I've learned from my past have helped shape the person I will become. Wala, oy, kabalo, di ko English. Furthermore, I know that if I don't work hard now, I won't be able to achieve my goals. But I'm choosing to focus on the positive aspects of my journey. With persistence and dedication, I'll find fulfillment and happiness in my achievements. Kapalag ko English? With God's guidance and unwavering support, I believe that nothing is impossible, and I am confident that with Him, everything is possible, leading to a life filled with purpose, joy, and Anna, bantog na 28 kay nga no, 28 over 30 kay endless, di siya end. With God's guidance and unwavering support, I believe that nothing is impossible, and I am confident that with Him, everything is possible, leading to a life filled with purpose, joy, and endless blessings. 7 to 10 years from now, I will be 23 or 26 old, and I know that at that time, I am currently working my dream career, which is to become a businesswoman. Businesswoman? Pwede Japon. Ano ay ganun ko? Pilit lang na pala siya. Char. Uy, chata kayo. Mag-ipos-ipos sa mga inani. Ang imong mga ano ba? Imong mga sentence. Imo siyang mabasag otro. Wow, 13 over 15. Wow, giunsa na po ni. Apel, let me tanawa God. Let me analyze if giunsa on siya. Ay, okay, kibali. Inani ra 1 2 3 naghatag. Kibali, i-flash siya tanang 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Tapos 1 over 6, so 2 over 6, 3 over 6. Tapos kibali, ang ako 1 to 3 is magsilbi siya nga number 1 2 3. And dayon 1 na may amount nga gihatag. So kita din. Isa pa 1 over 6 times katong amount nga gihatag. Di ba kay 1 over 6 times katong amount nga gihatag. And dayon is equals to 1, di ba? 1. Yabay nimo tong amount kay 1 naman siya. Tapos over 6, so 1 tapos parenthesis katong amount. Tapos times na siya. Na 1 times katong amount, which is katong amount, example 53,450 over 6, tapos imo din siyang i-divide. Ay, perfect ba nito kung itanan ko? Kaso ako nagibutang kay, basta dahil ba kay, basta dash ang pinaka-classify kay 0.00 man na siya. Ako pa na inagto tanan dash na tanan without knowing nga kuan na pa din siya sumpay, basta ang answer kay 8,908, di dash na ako siya, which is wrong, kaya ang answer kay 8,908.33. Ayaw di ka mag-dash pag 00. Ay, binisod jud akong tiil na. Ako, lupon mo aning fog. Dele. Gani. 30 over 35. Ano, lisod man din siya. I mean, sa'yo na nara akong classmate, pero lisodan ko ani. Ay, dali naman din siya. Oh. Pero na-listan ni ko ni number 5. Kaya wa ko yung answer. Grabe.
Social media or internet ay isa rin sa pinakapangyarihan. Isa rin sa pinakapangyarihan sa sitwasyong pagwika. 10% na bilang ng tao ay gumagamit nito. Halimbawa nito ay teleserye, pagtanghaliang palabas, news, pahayagan, ay isang uri ng paglilimbag na maglalarawan ng balita, edukasyon. Ito ay malaga at critical. Ito ay nagbibigay limbawa sa mga mag-aaral upang maunawan ng mga signatura. Halimbawa, pagbibigay ng instruksyon ng guro sa mga mag-aaral. Bra, kanijod ang lisod. Bra, mali tanan. Number 30. Wow, 10 over 110. Abi lang 10 over 10. 10 over 110. Lagi ni. Wala ko i-check. Ay, ano man din ay ginmat. Kani may tsada pero 17 na ako. Ginsa ka na ko nag-answer mo? Ginsa ka na ko nag-answer mo? Grabe, boy. 28. Buti ba? Sa ganit. Business math man siya 24 over 25. Ako nagkamali. Ay, hello. Ay, kabulog ito. Ani? Ako rin gamay score. Kaya wala. Diyan ko nakasabot ang nga time. Muna, gibutangan nag-answer ni mo. I mean, yes. Wala dyan yung kabalo pero yes, wala dyan yung kabalo. Di na ko mga rason. Nag-score na ako diri niya sa luyo. May effort daw. 8. Gusto ko kailan nga ballpen o kaning sinaw-sinaw. 18. Ay, 20 di ay ko. Namayusan ko ito. O, diba? 3 over 40. Grabe nga dyan mo. Muling ako ang gina 76. Na 76 sa unang guys. Kaya inanak ng answer. LCD. Go. 3 over 4. Ilak-ilak ko sa una. Kaya 76. Information and to communicate easily with my loved ones could talk. Loves one. And also it helps me to access information that I need for everyday schooling. Unsa man ni? ICT helps me to gather information and to communicate easily with my loved one. And also it helps me to access information that I need for everyday schooling. Bahala na. Pili na akong nabili niya ako Pag ina ni kagubot nga notes guys, di niya ako kay dili ko ina ni mag-ano. Wow, so very creative. Kabalumasa nag-imo dito sa word. The woman just arrived at her house and she's about to get inside. She's about to enter po. Wow, the effort. Ako rin may mini. Ay siyang ginamit sa parayaling pastida at sa pakikipag-ugnayan at pakikipagtalastaan. Nala, ako isay sa una guys. Think before you click. Sometimes you don't read. Sometimes you don't read what we click on social media or the link because we are just complacent. Huh? We are just complacent. Ang labi na, masayangan na magpapay pero sige ako ingon nga, masayangan ko. Magdaghan niya siya sa ako ang niya. Kaya nag-eskwela pa man ko, magkadaghan niya, masayangan na. Guys, kaganina na di ko nag-video pero na-off na dahil ko. Guys, let me share my If I were an animal, I would be a cat. For some reason, the cat can help people to less their stress, and also the advantage of being a cat is to have 9 lives. The cat is the toughest favorite animal of someone, and I noticed in someone's house there is a cat. Also, I like cat because the cat has nothing else to do but to sleep all day and to wait to be fed. And even the cat is always sleeping and waiting to be fed. No one will be hated off. But because cat is such a beautiful pet, cat will always be a beautiful burden, and I want to be like that. Burden?
Dili na kasi mga ano sa unong 8 ka ng essay.
Old. I live in Zone 9, Poblacion. My birthday is June 3, 2008. Last school attended is Lance. I choose Evanston because I want to be successful businesswoman someday. Anyway guys, ako i-share sa inyo. Di ba kayo, IBM ako, and then, ano ko nga, gusto ko entrepreneur. Pero, I mean, no, di na ako gusto ko entrepreneur. Gusto ko na ako yung business someday. And kaya itong business is, book cafe. I mean, nahiligan na ako siya magbasa og book. Sa una. Pero daging ko books ka wala pa nabasa. I mean, nabasa pero wala pa kayo nagpalikod ka ng read bitaw ka ng og books. And, narealize pa ako na, tsada og butangan ako og cafe. Like, I mean, nahiligan pa ako siya, cafe. Na, what if mag-business ko ba, butangan lang din ako siya og books. And that book is na books na free ibasa and na books na, ilang kaliton, like, na ito ang sistema. Like, na-aka-uses ng kape, at the same time, book.
Wow, 10/10 akong she believed she could. Sa 21st century, she believed she could. So, she did. Napa. 10/10, 21st. Farmers rely on for them. For them? No, dinim ay di biro because there are rain or shine. It's hard to harvest if rain because No, amor, imo aning sinulat. It's hard to harvest if rain because of flood and shine from. Dili mo gud ka mag-harvest og nag-ulan. Ba? Magulat mo siguro ka anang tagtuyot.
I know, wala ko na sa ako ang like, I mean, pag ako nang basahan ako mga karon mga essays, lang ba makayon mga hala hindi ko magsulat sa una, like dapat kay improvements ako karon, and kung sa una man sa mas hindi ko basa sa akong mga essay, but kung confident ko ang video and di-post, di ba? Pero daw ako man out.
Confident kung ibasa kay okay mo tan-aw. Di ba 50/50?
Hala. Ito ba guys? My gym business. Di ba kayo kaingon pa lang ako sa inyo kanina nga gusto ko business na kanang cafe. Ang gibutan diri kay my dream business that I want to handle in the future is the business about selling cars. It's my dream because many people want to purchase any different types of car, and I also want to know more about cars, any type of cars, and if I aim that job in the future, I will do my best to make the CEO of the company. For duh. Cars? Hindi siya po.
Oy, 24/85. Bro, spelling impressive. Wow, General Mathematics Final Exam, 49, huh? 49/70, sure ni. Sure ni. Actually, dako na tong 49, guys. Kanya kung gusto statistic, 50/50. Ako biya jud ni, how often do we hide our true feelings, masking them behind a face of calmness and control? Fear of judgment, rejection, or hurt can silence us, leaving our emotion unexpressed and our thoughts unspoken. Ay, wrong spelling akong unspoken, spoken ra. Anyway, guys, thank you for staying. Thank you. Salamat sa pagstay at narating nyo itong video. Hanggang dito na video. More to siya, guys. Thank you for staying my... Hindi naligi ko kabulog English. Thank you sa pagpapanood sa... No. At yun lamang natatapos at dito lamang nagtatapos ang ating reviewing my quizzes answer sheets, no? Dito lamang nagtatapos ang ating reviewing answer sheets, dito naman natatapos ang aking reviewing my answer sheets noon. At dahil natapos mo tong video na to,